This is how I clean my chimney heat collector. So the first thing I do is I pull off the rain cover and the switch holder. So this is the wire that is low voltage to a switch, which is just the same thermo switch that you get out of an electric hot water heater. Set that aside. Then I take off this top section of the chimney here, and I just twist it and lift it up, and it just slides off like so. And then old file that I've kind of made into a tool here. I just scrape off the creosote. That brings me right back down to my copper. Sometimes a pair of pliers works really well. And you just kind of roll it around, grip it, and just rip all that creosote off of there. It always gets dirty, but it will stay clean if you burn nice dry wood and you don't choke your fire down. Give it nice air so it has a nice draw. This one's not as dirty as it gets. It will start to, I know when I have to clean it because it will smoke in the house, and if I can't get a good draw, I'll know I'll have to clean it. But this was still drawing fine. It's just that I want to clean because it's going to get super cold, and I'm not going to have time to clean it. So sometimes you do this preventively, and I typically need to clean it twice a year. I wish I could just clean it once. This is a very inhospitable place, your chimney. And then the other place that needs to be cleaned is right down here on the casting. Chip this creosote off of here, scrape this off. Now this is bronze. This is a casting. You can see all about this in my other video. This is the kind of the heart of this system, is this little disc piece right here. Very durable. This whole thing takes me about 30 minutes if I'm just doing it and I'm not trying to film it. Filming always takes longer. Okay, now that I got it all kind of scraped off and cleaned up, what you do is you just pick up the heat exchanger and slide it back in. And I have these things that it'll rest on. And once you have it in there, then you just hoist the whole thing back up onto your chimney. But pretty manageable. Put that back on. Take this part, put that back on. So that's how I clean this heat capturing device that's in the top of my chimney that catches some of that wasted heat that's going out the chimney and brings it down into my domestic hot water for hot showers. It is a little bit of work because you do have to keep it clean about twice a year, sometimes 3 if you get a lot of creosote buildup from wet wood and smoldering fires. But it's an important part of my system because it saves me a lot of money in electricity, because on the other side of this system I have a solar project. If you're interested in that, check this one out right here. If you're interested in how I made this, check this one out right here. Thanks, subscribe, take care.